How to use Zelle with Chase Bank app. First of all, open the Chase Bank app on your device and log in using your username and password. Next, on the home screen, tap on the three horizontal line in the top left corner. From here, look for the Pay and Transfer or Send Money with Zelle option and tap on it. After that, select Send Money if you want to send funds or Request Money if you are expecting payment from someone. Now enter the recipient's email address or mobile number linked to their Zelle account. Be careful to enter the correct information to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Enter the amount you want to send or request and add a note if needed to describe the payment. Review all the details carefully, then tap Send or Request to complete the transaction. You will see a confirmation once the payment is successfully processed. Finally, remember that Zelle transfers are instant, so both you and the recipient will receive notifications. Make sure your account is verified and up to date to avoid any issues. Now you know how to use Zelle with the Chase Bank app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance and banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.